Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Benidorm Crazy Marcus here today. Down by the beautiful Hotel Nadal, right down here on the Vanity seafront. Literally, just come at your hotel and they are. You're by the sea, guys. Anyway, just going to show you around. Some nice apartments there, overlooking the beach. Gonna take a walk down now. So, the cable ski guys, sometimes they do actually make you trek all the way out into the sea to get to it. Today you got like a sort of pulley type flotation system sort of thing, so you got to pull yourself across, so you'll probably be tired by the time you get there. You'll probably also most likely get weight burn. Hot spot Benidorm there. Nice bar. Nice beachfront bar. Yeah. Jesus. Yeah. Do of course have Stag and Pheasant, the Baby Buddha, and of course on the end Rika's Beach Bar, and on the corner everyone's favourite fast food restaurant, McDonald's. Or, as the Cumbrians call it, Mackie D's. Absolutely gorgeous day. Cafe Roman's open. Got all the doors wide open, let some air in. Oh, and of course, Burger King just there. Advertisement for the boat trips as well. You do have all your booking places there. Just down on the beach, I think you got the cable ski, the scuba diving and paragliding. Another ramp for the paragliding, then the jet skis. Now, that is actually something I want to do. I want to go on the jet skis, but I'm not really good at driving, so should you ain't get ice cream parlour there for your day, well, for after the beach, grab yourself a nice ice cream. And a new supermarket, or the coast supermarket, then a place to get your beach supplies or anything you want, to be fair. Do scuba diving masks, hats. Footballs for the kids as well. Seems that this restaurant's up for sale, I think. Trying to remember what it was now. I think it was like a fish restaurant sort of thing. Then of course Taj Mahal and the Grand National. Another beach supply shop doing beach towels for €3 or €6 or €10. Sandals as well and shoes for scuba diving. Also do like your lilos in there as well. Not sure if you can see that great big pelican up the back. That's one thing I've never been good at, getting on a lilo. Always seems that just as I'm about to get on it, I float away. Even do a little rubber dinghy if you want to try escape your parents' kids. Or you got this nice double lilo thing for €20. You and your mate can sit in it, nice cold can of beer, have a nice float about. Or maybe it'll be a bit more romantic if it was you and your girlfriend or the missus. Tons of different gift shops up here as well. All selling similar things but at different prices. So if you are wanting something, guys, don't be afraid to shop about. You do even have scuba diving equipment in here, like your goggles, snorkels, nose clips, stuff like that. Even sun cream and suntan lotion if you want to top up your tan. We're coming up back down by BBVA Bank on corner of Avenida Mediterraneo. Gonna end it here with a view of that beautiful statue. I still don't know what it means, that actually. The statue, I'm not sure whether it's dedicated to anything or it's just a general statue. Yeah, probably something to do with sea, as Matt might say. So anyway, guys, hit the like, hit that subscribe button. See you in the next one.